Hello. Today's tutorial is about ichimoku. Ichimoku is a very strong and accurate indicator and is considered a complete trading system. In this video, you will learn to apply one of the strategies of this indicator and use it to close your position with profit. The basis of ichimoku is based on averaging, and the difference with EMAs is in its accuracy. This strategy of ours is more optimal in 30 and 15 time frames, and it is better to use these times. It doesn't matter if it is the forex market, crypto or stock market. It is used in all charts. Add the ichimoku cloud to the chart from the indicator section. Ichimoku consists of 5 parts: blue line or conversion line, red line, baseline, green line, lagging span, and a cloud which consists of 2 lines, leading span A and leading span B. If the leading span A is above the leading span B, the cloud will turn green. And if the leading span B is above the leading span A, the cloud will be red. The conversion line shows the average of the last 9 candles on a chart. The baseline shows the average of the last 26 candles on a chart. The lagging span line is the same as the chart in a linear form, and 26 candles are pulled back. The cloud, which is called ichimoku cloud, also shows us the process. And it also shows its other use, support and resistance. In places where the cloud is thin, support and resistance. It is weak and strong in places where it is thick. Well, let me explain how the strategy works. We must pay attention to 3 things. 1. Ichimoku cloud color. 2. The price position relative to ichimoku cloud. 3. Conversion line and baseline cross lines. In long positions, ichimoku cloud should be green. The price is above ichimoku cloud, and the upward cross of the conversion line and the baseline occurs. In this case, we open a long position. We place the stop loss under the previous floor, and we set the TP to 1/5 times the stop loss. In shorts positions, the color of the ichimoku cloud should be red. The price is under ichimoku cloud, and the downward cross of conversion line and baseline occurs. In this case, we open a short position. And we set the stop loss and TP as the previous position. TP should be 1.5 times the stop loss. As you can see, in this situation, the ichimoku cloud is red and thick, so it has more power and is strong and prevents the price from moving upwards. And the price is lower than cloud ichimoku. These situations indicate that the price will move down. With the downward cross of the conversion line and the baseline, we are almost certain that it will move down, and we open a short position and place a stop loss and a TP, and manage the position. That was our whole job. I expect you to acquire the necessary skills by practicing this strategy and personalizing it to be able to open the right position. In this area, the Ichimoku cloud is green and the price is above the cloud, so the price may move upwards. We are waiting for the bullish cross of the conversion line and baseline. When a cross occurs, we open a long position and set stop loss and TP. Pay attention to this point that you must put stop loss and TP in all positions. We have reached the end of the video. I will open 2 more positions for you to learn better and practice more. See you soon in the next video. Bye.